Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 Mark VII, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen twice. This will extend the list of visible toggles, and from here you should be able to find the Do Not Disturb mode somewhere. For me it is visible right over here. Once you see this toggle, you want to hold it the first time around, as this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function. Now I recommend going to these options at least once, and once you have done so, close this up and you don't ever have to go back there again. Now whenever you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, find the toggle and simply tap on it to turn it on. By default you will need to also remember to turn it off, as it will run indefinitely in the background if you forget about it. But in the settings there is an option to change it, so you can specify some kind of period of time that this will run. So even if you forget about it, the device will turn it off for you after, let's just say, if you select 4 hours. And to turn it off manually, all you would do is just tap on the toggle once more. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.